Welcome back. As promised, this leg of the course will teach you how to create your very own payroll. So let's get started. Before we start our actual payroll, we need to add employees. Head to the employee module and add a new employee. When the form pops up, input the employee's details on it, including their name, address, join date, job title, and other basic information. Once you save the form, a salary form pop-up appears, which prompts you to enter the salary information for that employee. Choose when the salary becomes active, adjust the salary class and payment frequency. You can also input standard work days and standard overtime if it applies. Once this form is saved, you are redirected to the Employee View page, where you can manage important employee information and navigate through several other pages to make the most of your HRMS experience. Head to the Payroll module and select the Add Payroll button. This is the Payroll Create form. To process a payroll, we need to name the payroll, enter the relevant information like salary class, salary frequency, either weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and the dates we want the payroll to fall within. Other optional filters include department and company branches, and once you've finished entering the necessary information, scroll down to see the list of employees who fit the criteria you have just selected. Proceed to save your payroll. Great job! Our next step is to view the details of the payroll by pressing the eye icon. In this view, you can approve, reject, or edit your payroll and view your pay sheet and pay slips. Remember, to go back to the main dashboard of any module at any time, press the Dashboard button on your horizontal navigation bar. Let's approve your payroll. Once approved, more options appear, including all NIS and GRA files necessary to stay in compliance, along with a bank letter generator to make paying your employees that much easier. Here's what those reports look like. In the Paysheet view, you will see all employees within this payroll along with their employee numbers, breakdowns of deductions, allowances, NIS and GRA calculations, overtime, basic, and net salary. Let's check out the payslips. You can change the way the payslips are displayed and choose which columns you'd like to see reflected on the payslip using our column selector drop-down list. Great! You're all caught up on how to create a payroll. Next, we'll dive into more awesome features of the payroll, including allowances and deductions, absence records, and overtime entries.